Hi guys, my name is Pushpendra Saini. Once again I came with a very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial I will tell you how you can create a onboarding screen or a first screen of your application. So I have this demo, so we will work according to this. Once you open your application, so this screen will animate like that. So we will achieve these animation and you can implement these kind of functionality according to your requirement. Actually this is just a demo. So here first animation is scaling this logo, and the second animation is rotation, color changing, and this is slide up. So how we can do that and how we can order these kind of animation in a very quick way. So let's begin with development and understand what we can do with that. So guys, here I am creating a new project with the name boarding example. Click on next, create. Yeah, project is in front of you. So first of all, what we will do that we will take images inside that. So this image I'll take that. This is one logo which we will show here, okay, and the background logo as well we require that. So this is my background logo, okay. Now I'll create a design in my main view controller. This is my main view controller. So here first of all I'll change the color, background color of this view. We can say it's Google red color. So second things, now we have to take the logo, and one more thing I would like to tell you that if you rotate this phone, then the design will not affected, okay. So here you can see, so this is called auto layout constraint, okay. We will achieve this things also. So how we can do that? So guys, this is my view controller. Here I have just changed the background color of this view controller. Now at the very first I have to divide this screen in two parts. One is for logo and another screen is for buttons and the labels. So for that what we have to do, I'll take view inside my view controller and I'll copy paste it. The first view is called as header, okay, and second view is called as footer. Both view will have same color, or which we can say default, okay. So this is my two view I have here, and at the very starting stage I'm taking one background color so it will be visible to us, okay. So here what I'm going to take, inside that I'll take two images, okay, one for background as you can see here and one for that main logo. So image and background image, I'll take the constraint, and first of all I'll set the constraint to the view. Top constraint 0, left 0, right 0. Right now I'm not setting the bottom constraint, okay, I'll do it later. So this is the image. Now I will set the constraint to this image, and I'm going to set 0 0 to this image, 0 0 0 0 from all the side, okay. And I'll set the image from here, you can see splash busy. So this image has been came here. Now I'll take one more image, Control C Control V. I'll copy and paste the same image and I will set the constraint to this one like that. From top I just give 10, okay. From right we can say 50 or 60, according to your design it will depend, okay, 60, and from bottom 0. So this is my logo view. Here I'll set logo. Now I will set the constraint to this view. Here what I'm going to do, I'll set 0 0 0 from all the side, okay, 0 0 0, and from the top also 0, right. And this is my view. Inside this view, what I'm going to do, I'll take buttons and labels. So according to this, we have two labels and two buttons. One is for login, yes I am ready, and one for this. Okay guys, and we are separating this view into this screen in two parts, because of if we supposed to rotate this screen, then it should be perfect according to the screen. Okay, that's why. So here, button, sorry, label, first one is label, and now I'm giving this background as normal, default, so it will be visible. Okay, same for this one, default. So here it is. Now this I'll change the font style and the background and the color of this one. So here is the content of this one, ready to enter into the popular application. Okay, now I'll take button, drag and drop, and set the constraint to this one, and also a background color. I'm going to set the background color to custom, which is the color code of Google Blue. Great. And here I'll set the constraint to this one. First of all, I'll set the top constraint, and just top constraint 20. Great. And it's again come to down. We have to do that. Now what I'm going to do, I'll take center, horizontal, and now I will insert this view from left side 60, from right side 60. Okay, from top 15, from bottom 15. Okay, so here it is. Now I'll change the text color to white, and I'll change the font style also. This is my Vardhana, and it's bold type. Yeah, here it is. I'll give the text. So this is my button. Now at the bottom of button, I'll take one more design which will contain label and a button together, and for that I have to take one view, so it would be in the center of the screen. Okay, so I'm telling you how we can achieve that. View, and this view will contain one label, yes exactly, and one button. Background color of this view to default. Yeah guys, here I'm going to set the constraint, and first of all I'm just doing this the constant height. Okay, so we will not be confused for some time, just 200. Okay, because our view is getting mismatch. So here design is getting mismatch. I will set the constraint from top to, we can say, 20, and from bottom 20. Yeah, right. So this is my design completely. Here I'll remove the unnecessary things. Yeah, so guys, this is my complete design. Now what is the missing thing? This is login. Okay, first I'll clear the background color, so this is, and I'll set the title to this one, login. So this is my design. Here I need to remove these things. So this is the final, and we have to set the constraint from right side, which is 0, and same for left side, which is also 0. Great. Now I'll make this view center of main view, center horizontal. So this is my final view, and here you can say if it is not coming fine, then we will set space 8. Okay, now it is coming fine. Now we can change the color as per our requirement. So as per our design, our requirement is yellow, so we will change the title color. Okay, not a tint color, so color is yellow. So guys, so this is my final design. Now what is our next step? We will animate that, and for before that I'll see the output of this one. Okay, how it will looks like. Build succeed. So this is my output, and here's giving some mismatch. Center horizontal. Okay, so it will come fine now. If you'll see the output, then you will understand. So here you can see the output. Okay guys, now we have to animate this screen. So for that we have to take all the layouts inside the screens. Okay, so from here open your view controller, and this is here, and from here attach one by one all the designs. Okay, now this is my footer view, and this is my header view. So for footer view I need to take footer view, because we have to slide this footer view from bottom side to up side. Okay, and for header view we have to take the main logo. Okay guys, so in actual we have to apply the animation only on these two things, but we have to take the buttons as well, because we have to apply the click event. But in this video I'm not taking button layout, I'm just taking footer and logo, so that we can show the animation. Okay, so open your view controller finally. So this is my view controller, and I'll copy Control X V. So here, now finally what I need to take, I'll create one function which is configure layout. Pass nothing, and first animation we will circulate our logo. Okay, self dot logo dot transform equals cgfne transform. Here we will take rotation, and we will give from 360 360. Okay, now UI view animate with completion. Here I'll give the time interval, and what is my time interval? Let's say 1 second. Here we have to perform the action, and here for now nil. So self dot logo dot transform same cg affine transform, and rotate to rotation angle 0. We'll bring it back. Call this function configure layout. So again I'll see, and we'll see the output. So here you can see rotation is happening. Okay, if I reduce this, then you can see for a long time, that's a 3 second. So again you can see the animation. Okay, it's rotating. Now our second animation, we have to zoom it out while it's rotating, then we have to zoom it out this logo. So our next animation for scaling. So for scaling, what we are going to do, same line, I'm copy and paste, and here transform, and we will select scale x and y, and our x scale will be same 0 0 0 y, and we have to bring it back to 1 1 guys. Okay, so now again we will see the output. So here you can see while it's rotating, then it's working fine. Okay, so I'm reducing this line to 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so here again we will see the output. So here you can see. Now I will zoom it out more. 1.3, 1.3, and again here I will start again this animation. Okay, and I'll bring it back to 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1, and this time my ending time will be only 0.3. So it will zoom like that. Okay, now again we will see the output. So here you can see zoom came and go back. Okay, you can rewrite this code many times, like you bouncing that like that. So you can write this code many times. Now our second animation. So if you see, once your application open, this view remains same, but what we have to do, once this animation finish, we have to bring it up. Okay, so we have to slide up this animation. For that, what we are going to do, so first of all we have to set self dot footer view dot transform equals same cg affine transform, and this will be with translation x, and translation x at the initial stage it will be 0, and y will be self dot view dot frame dot width. Okay, so this will be y, sorry, height. So this will be y. Okay, so if you will run this application, then you will see that your view will not appear. Okay, now we have to bring it back after finishing the animation. So I'll write this line at the very top, and on the completion of last animation, okay, I'll run one more animation. Okay, and this will be finish and type of bool and inside in. So here I'll run it again, copy and paste, and this time it will be nil, sorry, completion, it will be nil because we don't require more, and here I'll bring it back to the same position as per the initial position. So this will be y, y will be 0. So now let's see the output. Build and run. So here you can see it's working as expected, but our initial application was, the color animation also was there. So how we can achieve this color animation? First of all, we will write the same animation. Here is nothing to do, nothing very much, but so this is the code for animating the color. Here I'll take one color which is self color. This is my self color, and here I'll assign that where color UI color, and this will be like that. Okay, and this is my button login. Button login is also required because as the color is changing, so we need to show this button as well. So I'll take the reference view controller login, and from here I'll assign button login, yeah, control button login, yeah, fine. Now go to view controller, and this is your button. Here if we will see, then again I'm running this, so we'll see the output. So color is also changing, guys. as per our scenario. So first what we are doing, what is the actual color of a view controller, we are holding that into a variable, and from here we are animating. First of all, we are setting the yellow color, okay, and we are changing the button color also as per yellow color. And second, after completion of this animation, again we are running the animation for self color, and after completion of this animation, again we are running the animation for green, and after completion of green we are running the animation for self color. So it will bring it back to same color as it was previously. So guys, that was the complete hierarchy and complete scenario for creating the attractive onboarding screen. This is also called a splash screen. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, please comment into the comment box and ask your question what you are asking. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that please subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find a lots of video related to Swift development. So guys, happy coding, have a great time, bye bye.